Hey and welcome back. This time we'll say a few words about coroutine and IEnumerator. So let's start with some example. And the IEnumerator is our coroutine. It always needs the yield return. And after that we write the coroutine name, usually what to do. And in coroutine we have the possibility to allow the code to pause before read another part of the code. To call coroutine, we write start coroutine, and after that we write the name of the coroutine. So start coroutine is our coroutine color, and tester in this case is our coroutine name. So let's jump in Unity and write some code. So first create the script. I will call that first enumerator. Of course, I will make for that empty object and I will call that coroutine holder. Now we need to add the code to the object and open it. Let me just change that quick. Okay, so I don't need that information about the update and starter, so I'll just remove that. And now let's write our coroutine like we had in the example. So write enumerator, now name of the coroutine, it's called tester, and now we make some code. So first I'll just make what we need to do, so I'll just write here node.things to do 1. Now we call the yield routine and write new wait for seconds, and we write inside how much second we would like to wait, and after the number we always write the f, and after that we'd like to call the another thing to do. So now let's make some simple code. So I'll just write debug log. And we'll write read first part of the code. Let's close that. And now we'll do the same for the second code. So debug log. And just second part of the code done. Now we need to call that coroutine. So let's just go to the start and write start coroutine. And after that we put the name of the coroutine. So in this case we'll call the tester. And let's save that and check what we get in the console. So we should have the first part of the code, and after 2 seconds it should read the second one. So here's the first one, and after 2 seconds we have the another part of the code. This is exactly what we had in the code. So coroutine help us to wait before read the other part of the code. Of course, you can change how long you would like to wait before read the other part of the code. and you can write the yield return a few times. It don't need to be once. So let's change the code. So code 1 done. Then we'll wait 6 seconds, and after that we'll have the code 2 done, whatever you write there, and we'll wait again, and we'll do our third thing. So let's write code 3 done. I will just change that maybe for seconds and 6. And let's save that and see now. Just quick cleanup. And now after play, we'll read the first part of the code. Now we wait 6 seconds, and after that coroutine will read the second part. Wait again 4 seconds, and you will read the third part of the code. You can as well call that in the update, so it will be called edge frame. I usually don't use that in the update, just use them in some method. So whenever I did something like, let's say, use some animation, play some sound, and add some score, for example. So let's say that you're writing the first part of the code to play animation, play the sound, and after, let's say, 1 second, you will add the score to your game score, something like that. Here's an example of the update. It's called the first part, and after a second we write called the second part and third part, and you see the number increase all the time because it's called add single frame. So this is everything for the coroutine. Hit the like button, subscribe for more. Hope you enjoy, and leave the comment and tell what you think. See you next time. Cheers.